Can we change or delete music on Instagram post? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change or delete music on Instagram post, or is it even possible? So let's get started. First of all, head over to your Instagram. After you head over to your Instagram, just create a post if you don't have a post with music, or just head over to your profile and then select a post. Now, as you can see right here, I have a music in this post. Now, if I want to change the music or delete the music, let's head over to our edit section. Tap on the three dots on the top right of your post. After you're there, you'll see the edit option. Tap on edit. After you tap on edit, you can just explore these places here. Now, if you tap on the top, you cannot see any option to change or delete music on your post. So the only thing that you can do is actually you can just delete the Instagram post as whole and then just upload it again with a different music or by removing the music. So that is how you can change or delete music on Instagram post. And no, it's not possible to change or delete music on an Instagram post that already has been posted. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.